In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hold a conversation on FaceTime. Whether you've been a FaceTime user for years or are about to dive into your very first call, this guide will help you navigate through the various stages of making, joining, and managing a FaceTime session effortlessly. To kick things off, let's begin with initiating a FaceTime call. Launch the FaceTime app on your device. This app is usually represented by a green icon with a white camera. Once you've opened it, you'll want to start a new call. To do this, simply tap on New FaceTime located at the top of the screen. This will prompt you to enter the contact information of the person you wish to connect with. You can type in a name, phone number, or even an email address, depending on what's linked to the person's FaceTime account. Now you've got a choice to make. You can either start a voice-only call by tapping on the phone icon, or go for a video call by tapping the camera icon. If you've got your contacts saved, there's an alternative route. Simply tap the contacts icon to search and select the person you're calling from your list. Now, jumping over to joining an existing FaceTime call, perhaps you've been sent an invite for a group FaceTime call, you'll receive a notification on your device letting you know about it. From here you have the option to either join or decline the call. It's as simple as tapping a button. And should you happen to be on another call already, you've got the handy feature to accept the incoming call while placing the current conversation on hold. Moving on to adding people to an ongoing FaceTime call, this is especially useful when you need to loop in additional friends, family members, or colleagues into the discussion. During a FaceTime call, look at the toolbar and locate the Add People option at the top. Tap it, and you'll be able to enter the contact information of the new participant. That's either their name, number, or email address once again. If you prefer to grab someone from your saved contacts, that's no problem. Tap on the contacts icon, find who you want to add, and you're all set. That wraps up our guide on holding a conversation on FaceTime. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to perform any FaceTime task swiftly and confidently. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll become a FaceTime pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.